Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Facebook page name. So if you want to change a name on your Facebook page, I will tell you how you can do this. So first of all, just open any browser on your laptop like Google Chrome or anything you want. You have to log in your Facebook account. After opening the browser, just log into your Facebook account. Then you will see these options on the left side. You have to tap on this pages. After clicking on the pages, your all pages will be shown here you've created. So just tap on the page you want to change a name. After this, your page will be open like this. Now on the left side, you have to scroll down and you will see this option, edit page info. Click on this. After this, you have to tap on this name box. Just click on it. Now you can see this our page mode is on edit mode now. Now you can easily change it. You can just set your new name and after this, just click on this site. When you click on the site, you will see this window will be pop up for you. You will see your current Facebook page name and your new change name. Now you have to tap on this request change. When you click on your request change, your Facebook change will be successfully changed. Now if you go back and if you refresh the page, you will see your page name has been changed. So that's how you can change Facebook page name. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.